Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to prevent another admin from banning users, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest update, you now have more control over what each admin can do, including the ability to disable their power to ban members. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you secure your group and keep your community safe. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, locate and open the group where you're an admin. You'll find your groups listed on the left side of the Telegram window. Click on the group to enter the chat. Once inside the group, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the chat window. Click on these dots to open the group's options menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your group. On the management page, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Scroll through the list and select the admin whose permissions you want to change. After clicking on the admin's name, you'll see a list of their permissions. Look for the option labeled Ban Users. If this option is enabled, simply click to disable it. This will remove the admin's ability to ban or remove members from your group. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply the new settings. That's it. Now, this admin will no longer be able to ban users, giving you more control over your group's safety and ensuring that no one is removed without your approval. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage admin permissions and protect your Telegram community from unnecessary bans. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your groups and making the most out of Telegram's latest features.